going to be covering one of my favorite ways to fix a broken nail or reattach it completely. And I wanted to do a longer video on all of the ways to fix a broken nail, and so that'll be coming in the future, but I actually need a broken nail for that to happen. Hopefully not anytime soon. So let's jump right into prevention. If your nails are breaking, I would consider a nail strengthener. I like the one by Essie. And this is the one that we're going to be using in this video, but you can also use a base coat or something. Because we're going to use so many layers of it, I'm like, why not? Might as well strengthen. Reattach or realign your broken nail like so, and slowly start to, as it dries, adjust it into place. And then you're going to take a tea bag, cut off a very small piece of that tea bag, just enough that it's going to cover the crack and like give some extra too. And then you can always curve it to fit the shape of your nail as well. Put that on, seal it in with more strengthener or base coat, and then let that dry. This is where the magic happens. So you're going to need tip glue, nail glue, tip adhesive, anything like that, and you're literally just going to put it on your nail like an extra base of support. And you can even do this, like put it in between the two pieces of your nail that you're like trying to surgically reattach. You're going to take a UV light. I like the small handheld one for this, and you're just going to take it out. See, it's really small and easy to use, and you're just going to cure it with the light for 60 seconds. And you're going to take, so we want to get both sides, so make sure to flip your finger over, and on the back side put some more tip glue in there, and then cure it again for another 60 seconds. But make sure you're cleaning off any of the glue that might have gone on your hands, so get that off as well. And this entire time you're just going to be readjusting as the nail gets stronger and stronger, and you're more easily able to adjust it so that it's straight and it's got like a flat curve. Okay, so now you're done curing, and this is going to come as a shock, but the glue is still going to be sticky. What? I know. So what we want to do is just put some base coat on top of it, and this just seals in that sticky layer so it won't have any of that residue anymore, and then it seals everything in and you're good to go. If this was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and there's also a shorts version to this as well on my channel if you're interested, and stay tuned for more Real Glow.